Reggae was the voice of the people, soulful, revolutionary, and rich with meaning. Icons like Bob Marley and Dennis Brown carried Jamaica's message to the world. But in the late 70s, something shifted. Sound systems got louder, beats got heavier, and a new style was born. Faster, bolder, and ready for the streets. Dancehall exploded in the 80s. Less singing, more chanting, and a beat designed to make the crowd move. Yellowman, Shaba, and Supercat took it worldwide. By the 2000s, dancehall was unstoppable, blending with hip-hop, Afrobeats, and reggaeton. From the streets of Kingston to clubs around the world, the sound kept evolving. From reggae's roots to dancehall's dominance, the culture keeps growing. The question is, and where will it go next?